Welcome to the channel. Today we will walk you through how to permanently delete your Substack account. If you are looking to remove your account for privacy reasons or simply no longer wish to use the service, this video will guide you through the process in a clear and easy way. First, open Substack on your browser and log into your account using your credentials. Next, look at the top right and click on the three-line menu icon. From the menu, select Settings. Then, scroll down the settings page until you find the Delete Account option. Click on it, and a confirmation page will appear. Finally, to confirm the deletion, tap on Delete My Account. You will be asked to enter your registered email address, and then click OK. This will permanently remove your Substack account along with all your subscriptions and content. If you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing to the channel, liking this video, and sharing it with others. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more useful tutorials.